the morning after the night before. These two were either starting again very early or were the last men standing after what was bound to be an incredibly fun night in Madrid. Spain's 4-0 crushing of Italy in the final of Euro 2012 set the tone for a jubilant night, and the next morning the papers in the Spanish capital were pasted with the now all too familiar images of Spanish glory at major football tournaments. Following their triumph at Euro 2008 and the 2010 World Cup, Spain became the first team to win 3 major pieces of international silverware in succession. However, not everyone was swept up in the euphoria of victory. This local resident said, "Sincerely, I am indifferent to it. The country has just been bailed out and no one talks about it. I don't care at all. Congratulations to the kids of the national team, but that's it." Spain has the highest unemployment rate in the 17-nation Eurozone and is immersed in a deepening recession. But with a flawless football team to fall back on, you might as well crack open another can. Cheers!